In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the QuickBooks online platform to manage your accounts with ease. Understanding your financials is key to maintaining a healthy business, and QuickBooks offers powerful tools to help you do just that. We'll be using the Chart of Accounts feature today, specifically focusing on the undeposited funds, and I'll guide you through each step very carefully. Let's begin by heading to QuickBooks Online. Open your browser and navigate to QuickBooks homepage. Once there, you will enter your login credentials if you're not already logged in. Upon logging in, you will see the main dashboard. On this user-friendly interface, you'll have access to essential features that help manage your finances. Now, look for the Chart of Accounts section. This feature is crucial as it offers a structured view of all your company's financial transactions and categories. Think of it as the framework or outline of your company's financials, which allows you to track every penny in and out. Find and click on the Chart of Accounts section from the navigation panel. It's usually located on the left-hand side, making it easy to spot. Once you click, you're opening the door to a more detailed financial view. To focus on a specific area, in this case, undeposited funds, you'll need to enter it into the search bar within the Chart of Accounts page. These undeposited funds can often be overlooked, yet they are significant as they represent checks or cash you've received but haven't yet deposited into your bank account. By typing undeposited funds into the search bar, QuickBooks will help you quickly find the relevant records. It's a time-saving feature that ensures you're pinpointing exactly what you need without sifting through unnecessary data. Once you have located the undeposited funds in your account list, the next step is to access more details by clicking on the option View Register. This feature allows you to see a detailed log of all transactions associated with these funds. Viewing the register gives you a historical perspective of every transaction, which is essential for accurate bookkeeping and for identifying patterns in your cash flow. This step-by-step process helps in ensuring that you have an accurate record of your financial transactions while making it easy to verify and account for all your business dealings. Regularly reviewing these details not only keeps your records accurate, but also supports strategic decision-making as you gain insights into the financial health of your business. Thank you for joining me in this QuickBooks online navigation session. By following these straightforward steps, managing your company's finances becomes a more streamlined and approachable task. Remember, staying on top of your finances is a significant step toward achieving your business goals. Let's keep our books clean and precise.